Firestone Lining Systems are backed by over a century of experience and success in rubber technology. Firestone Building Products Company, a division of Bridgestone Firestone Diversified Products LLC, is dedicated to carry on the quality tradition established by Harvey S. Firestone in 1900. Presently, with over 100 million square meters installed worldwide and a network in over 50 countries, Firestone Lining Systems has proved itself the undisputed leader of the lining systems industry.
Firestone Lining Systems uses the EPDM material for its geomembranes, which makes it comparatively superior to other materials due to its special properties.
With numerous benefits associated with it, Firestone waterproof EPDM geomembrane is simply superior to other thermoplastics in its category. During production, Firestone EPDM geomembrane is vulcanized, which gives it the elastic and chemically stable product with negligible aging despite exposure to UV radiations, atmosphere, earth chemicals, and extreme temperature. It is also resistant to degradation due to oxidation. Because of these properties, Firestone EPDM geomembrane survives for well over 30 years, requiring little or no maintenance. Irrespective of extreme temperatures like -45 degrees centigrade, at which other thermoplastics crack because of their stiffness, Firestone EPDM geomembrane remains highly flexible, which in turn makes it easily seamable even in freezing conditions. It can withstand high temperatures like 130 degrees centigrade, the temperature at which other thermoplastics melt down, enabling it for round-the-year installation in different climates and terrains. Being resistant to temperature shocks of up to 250 degrees centigrade, Firestone EPDM geomembrane proves to be the best choice for pond lining systems.
Yes, Firestone EPDM geomembrane can elongate up to 400%.
The elongation to such extent without getting affected by the strain makes it easily stretchable to conform to irregularities in the subgrade. Firestone EPDM geomembrane provides superior hydrostatic resistance as compared to other lining materials. It can sustain up to 4 bar pressure. When it comes to installation, Firestone EPDM geomembranes are the most easily installable system. It is available in large seamless panel sizes up to 61 meters in length and 15 meters in width. This results in fewer field seams and less installation time. Following stringent quality control guidelines, Firestone pond lining systems exceed industry standards. All plants of Firestone have achieved ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification, which are a testimony of the company's commitment to quality and environmental management systems. The physical properties and seam strength of Firestone EPDM geomembranes meet various national and international standards, including the prestigious French ASQUAL product quality certification, a reference point in the lining industry. With our outstanding performance, we guarantee that Firestone Pond Guard Systems is the best deal you can get in the pond lining industry. Welcome to Firestone.
Your shot's as good as your product.